In this video I'm going to show you how the free energy engine can be used as a free energy generator and creator of electricity. In my previous videos I showed you, on YouTube I showed you how this free energy engine works. It is working on a very simple principle of magnets disattraction. I put the magnets on these rotation parts. I use very strong neodymium magnets. When I put it closer to this rotation part, it is causing the rotation. When I put it off, the rotation is not working. Once again, okay, the rotation is not working now. Now I would like to show you how we can use this free energy engine as a free energy generator. We will put in this bulb, but first I would like to show you the bulb. I use the bulb that is operating on a very small amount of electricity. It's enough for this standard battery. I used this bulb with LED because this is generating only small amount of electricity and so that it is visible. Okay. Now we'll try to put this bulb on these wires to connect it. And we can try, okay, it's connected, we can try the experiment. We will start the rotation. Okay, it's rotating already. And now I will put this wire here. Okay, we can see it is lighting. When I put it off, it is not lighting. Once again, you can put it here. When we put the magnet, when we put the magnet here, okay, you can see it's operating. If we add the magnet here, it will rotate forever and we can have the never-ending lighting. Okay, this is it for today. Thanks for your attention.